Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete ignored friend requests on Snapchat. If you've got some requests that you've ignored and want to clear them out, keep watching and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, open up your Snapchat app and log into your account. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner to go to your profile page. Now, tap on the Add Friends button. Next, look for the three dots in the top right corner and tap on them. From the menu that pops up, select Ignored from Add Me. Here, you'll see a list of all the people whose friend requests you've ignored. To delete these requests, you can either tap on their name to accept, or if you want to remove them entirely, just press and hold on their name. Then, tap on Block to permanently delete the ignored friend request. It's really that simple. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.